Hey guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at the new Maverick Quantum R Flux Musclecar by HPI. This is a 1/8 scale on-road / light off-road bashing hoon vehicle that appears to be squarely aimed at the Arrma Felony. Now, it's not quite as large as the Arrma Felony, a couple inches shorter, maybe an inch more narrow, but it has a lot of similar features, and its real draw is going to be its price point. This thing comes in at $355. Not only is that getting very close to half price from the Arrma Felony, but it's even $50 cheaper than the Maverick Quantum Flux R or Quantum R Flux truck that it's based on. For that money, I think you're going to get a lot. You get a Max 10 SCT 120 amp ESC, a matched brushless motor, a pretty much all metal drivetrain. I think the spur gear might be plastic, but everything else is going to be all metal. You get a center differential, threaded body metal shocks, belted tires on 17mm hexes, a pretty sweet looking body that comes in 3 different choices of color. You've got the blue, you've got a shiny black, and then you've got a matte black. I think they all look pretty good. I'm pre-ordering the blue. I'm going to get mine from Tiny Adventures RC. I'll put a link to their website down in the description if you want to go ahead and get one of these pre-ordered. This is going to have an all plastic chassis, which is fine with me. It keeps it light, and plastic is flexible as long as it's done right. Should be no problem. It's got a 15 kg servo in it. It may or may not be powerful enough. In my experience, RTR vehicles typically need their servos upgraded, so you could probably assume this one will too. Comes with a cheap basic radio. It's got a foam wheel on it, and I'm sure it will do the job. I don't expect it to be anything too fancy, but it'll be fine. This car is going to be around 275mm wide and 600mm long. That's going to put it squarely in the 1/8 scale range, which of course, like I said, is going to be smaller than the Felony, which is a 1/7 scale car. Now for me, that's actually an advantage because I bash in small areas and the Felony was just a little bit too large for me. You get nice little accessories that allow you to change it from a fake turbocharger to a fake supercharger, so you can personalize the car a little bit however you want there. This car is going to be up to 4S capable. Personally, I'll probably start it on 4S and keep it on 4S. I don't usually run things on a lower cell count than they're rated for. Now, I really think that this car is going to be giving people that are looking at the Arrma Felony something else to look at, because it's a little bit smaller, yes, but it's almost half price, and that's a pretty big deal as far as I'm concerned. You're getting a lot of value for money here. If this thing is fun and can hold together, I think this is going to represent an awesome deal in a hobby where everything else seems to be getting crazy expensive at a really rapid rate. Anyway guys, that's all I have for this video. We should have some more information as far as release date coming up soon. I'll update you if there's anything interesting to update you with. Otherwise, please like, subscribe, throw a comment down there if you have any questions or comments about this car, and we'll see you in the next one.